Hi everyone. I have for Fountain Pen Friday 2 new ink launching today from Ferris Wheel Press. My package was actually lost for a little bit. It was kind of in this weird limbo. Magically, it kind of just showed up. So the 2 new inks that are launching today, January 5th, Friday, January 5th. So what's really exciting, they are starting a new fairy tale. So a brand new fairy tale ink. This one is based off of the Wild Swans. And this information that I got online about Radiant Rosewing is that it is the first chapter of the Wild Swans collection, and the main character in this story is Princess Patch. So you can see that very beautiful duochrome already. It's this one here. And the box always is so pretty. So if we look at the top flap, you can see the swans. So that's a swan and then a cat. And these, the artwork here is really, really intricate. And again, of course, the foiling is perfect. So it's a pink base ink. There's no sheen, and it has pink and gold shimmer, and the shading is medium. So this one again is called Radiant Rosewing, and essentially it is trying to capture when Princess Patch trying to break the spell that is trapping her 11 beloved brothers in the swan form. So it says that it's an enchanting, shimmering pink ink inspired by the love and affection between siblings. And you can imbue your storytelling with magical touch, capturing the essence of this epic adventure. Dip your pen into the wellspring of creativity and let this ink weave its enchantment as you craft your own spellbinding narrative. So very pretty. You can see that duochrome gold and pink shimmer. Oh, it says the little quote. It says, "Every obstacle is a chance to flourish." Join Princess Patch as she navigates through formidable tribulations, emerging radiantly inspired. Life may not always be rose-colored, but you hold the power to paint it in every color that you desire. Take life at one transformation at a time. So I also have a sneak peek actually already of the ink that's coming next month. And I think that this entire series with Princess Patch and the Wild Swans, it's extremely inspiring. And I thought that this ink is a really perfect start. I like the idea of it saying it's like sibling love, because through it all, I think the people that you experience life with are definitely going to be your siblings. So let's do a quick swatch of this after I've talked about it for so long. But yes, it is. One thing is this artwork is really reminiscent of a very specific style. So it's rose mulling. It's a Scandinavian painting style, which is an ode to Hans Christian Andersen, who wrote the story Wild Swans. Let's do a swatch. So always have to shake it up a little bit. You can see the shimmer like really in there. So that one is Radiant Rosewing. And then the second one, which is from their Everyday Ink collection. I really like this color. It's Harlequin Dream, and this also is starting a brand new series. This one is talking about the theater. So Harlequin Dream, this box, let's take a look at that. You can definitely see that gold and this like periwinkle color. It is on a stage, and then you have lots of little animals. So here's a raccoon, and this one looks like a beaver. You've got the moon here, and then they look like they're part of like a ballet, which I think is the intention. But lots of different characters, and lots of stuff happening in this. Is this a circus? I think it might be like kind of a circus. So the information about this says, step into a realm of enchantment as Lord H.H. Evergreen escorts you to a night at the theater, where his heart dances to the performances of his cherished acrobatic troupe. Clad in resplendent attire, he watches with a monocle and is captivated by gravity-defying feats. The rustle of tulle and glimmer of silk shimmers under a bed, under a evening of stars, casting a low glimmer over the audience. In this era, where dreams know no bounds, use this deep periwinkle ink to capture the magic of the stage and Gilded Age extravagance. So you can see lots of the ballerinas here that are part of the acrobatic troupe, and then they're just very, oh yes, it talks about the raccoon who's about to do a daring somersault. And a lot of details in this that you can definitely search for, but I see the cat again, which I think that's definitely something that is a reoccurring theme. But here's Harlequin Dream. There is no shimmer in this at all, which I really think is very useful. This is perfect for everyday ink. So its characteristics, it's a deep periwinkle blue, and it's described as cool, whimsical, elegant, and ethereal. So yeah, I really would like to have more suggestions about this glass dip pen. Like, I just don't think it's cutting it. Like, maybe the tip of it is what's wrong, but maybe the quality really is not there, because my swatches are just so inconsistent. Or I don't know if it's something I'm doing wrong, or maybe it's not a good paper. But this paper, it's the APICA. It's a Premium C.D notebook. It should be pretty good. I want to show you guys so before I got my package, I ended up just taking a screenshot of the inks, and I made a little layout. And it's Harlequin Dream and Radiant Rosewing. And I'll just show you guys. This is my Muji B6 planner, and it has all this information that I made about it before I got my package. So I have put some Simply Gilded washi and This is Note and Wish pet tape from the You Got Mail. I did 2 swatches of it, the Harlequin Dream and Radiant Rosewing. I thought that was just so kind of a fun way. Before getting the inks in hand, I was able to do a little picture of it, kind of like a memory keeping. And I also wanted to say very quickly is that I have a giveaway happening with Ferris Wheel Press. It's running until January 8th, which is ending on Monday. So you still have time to log in and enter. So you don't have to log in, sorry. You still have time to click on this reel that I'll leave link down below. But it's on Instagram at Choose to Do, and you can find this post. There will be one winner. It's international giveaway, and you can win a carousel fountain pen and a 38 milliliter bottle of ink, and anything of your choice. So you could technically get this one, the Harlequin Dream. You can get any bottle of your choice plus a fountain pen, which is a very good, very generous giveaway that I think is just such a nice way for Ferris Wheel Press to support creators. And I'm so grateful that Ferris Wheel Press is allowing content creators and other people from the community, the fountain pen and planner community, promote a really good company. So you can use the code CTD on their website, and you'll be able to get 10% off if you wanted to purchase something that you see. It could be anything. It doesn't have to be just these products. But I hope you enjoyed this swatch and unboxing of the 2 new inks launching today, Harlequin Dream and Radiant Rosewing. This paper really is not holding up very well to fountain pen ink. Muji paper is very good for fountain pens, is what I've noticed. But what's going on there? But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this Fountain Pen Friday. Be sure to check out this launch and also my giveaway that is happening until January 8th. So catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.